Good day, viewers. Welcome to today's class. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Today we'll be discussing about division of whole numbers. So, what is division? Division is an arithmetic operation which involves breaking down a number into two or more equal parts. Okay, let's take for instance we have 20 bags of rice here, or just 20 here. Okay, let's assume that this is 20 bags of rice. Okay, divided by 5 persons. Okay, so these 20 bags of rice is going to be divided by what? 5 persons. Okay. So how many are they going to get? From what we define, you can simply put it this way: that this is what? Okay. These are the what? The five people or persons that will what? Share the 20 bags of rice. Okay. This the first person will what? Will receive four. Next person four. So from what we said earlier, we said that division is what? The arithmetic operation which involves what? Breaking down of a number into what? Equal parts. Now, when we look at the board, we see that this 20 has been what? Divided or breaking has been what? Broken down or grouped into what? Five equal parts. That is to say, this person, what? The first person received what? 4 bags of rice. The second person received what? 4 bags of rice. The third person the same amount of number, the same number of bags of rice. The same the fourth person received also what? 4 bags of what? Rice, and the last person also received what? 4 bags of rice. So we can see that each of them received equal what? Number of bags of rice. So that is to say that division is what? Breaking of a number into what? Equal parts, two or more equal parts. Let's take another example. Now we have this the same 20, okay, divided by divided by 10. Okay, so from what we said here, let's just try to practicalize it here. We have, okay, from what we have on the board, these are what? 10 persons that will divide what? 20 bags of rice. Okay, we can see that each of them will receive what? Two. Okay, each will what? Receive two what? Two bags of what? Of rice. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so when we add them up, we see that it will what? It will be what? The same amount. Okay, each of them received what? The point is that each of these what? Person what? Receive what? The same number of what? Bag of what? Rice. Okay, so some may say that division is what? An opposite of what? Multiplication, in the sense that if you multiply these two here by 10, 10 multiplied by, it's 10 people, that 10 person that share this rice. So if you multiply this 10 here by 2, you will have what? 20 here. Okay, so you can see that division is also what? Opposite of multiplication. So but let's proceed. Division is represented with different signs or various signs. Let's see them. Okay, look on the board. We have three signs, okay, that is used to indicate division in mathematics. Number one is what? The oblus. Okay, it is the sign comprises of what? A short horizontal line with what? Two dots below and what? Above it. So when you ask to divide 8, let's take 8 divided by 2. So you can see with this sign here, we know, or we have to recognize that the equation is telling us what? Divide what? 8 by what? By 2. So we can also use a slash like this, okay, which is what? 1. So something like this can be what? Used to represent what? Or indicate what? Division. Then the last but not the least is what? This what? Long division symbol, okay, which we use what? In long what? Division what? Division of numbers or large numbers. Okay, is the sign here composed of what? The what? The right parenthesis and what? Division column. Okay, it is used what? In long divisions. So let's proceed. Okay, let's look into some of the basic rules of division. Okay, when a whole number except zero, or you can just say when a natural number is divided by itself, the answer will be what? Equal to 1. Number 2 state that when 0 is divided by 0, the answer will be what? Undefined. That is, it cannot be possible. Number 3. This rule states that any number, any whole number or natural number that is divided by 0 is undefined. That is, cannot be possible. So the fourth rule says that 0 divided by any natural number, the answer will be 0. So the fifth rule says that 7, any natural number divided by 1, the answer will be what? Natural number itself. Okay, so that's the rules, the basic rules that will guide us in operations with divisions. Now, we have learned how to divide certain numbers, but there are numbers when asked to divide, the some part of that particular number will be left over. That's what I mean. We have 9 divided by 4. So in this case now, we all know that when you ask 4 persons to divide 9 bags of rice, they are going to receive 2 each. But there are some part of this 9 that will be left over. So this some part of 9 that will be left over will be discussed in our next class. Please don't miss our class. Do subscribe for videos like this. See you next time.